Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth problem in Windows 7. So in this video I am going to discuss four type of Bluetooth problem. So the first Bluetooth problem is Bluetooth icon not showing in the taskbar. The second Bluetooth problem is problem in sending or receiving Bluetooth files. The third Bluetooth problem that I am going to discuss is Bluetooth was showing in device manager earlier but not showing now. And the fourth Bluetooth problem that I am going to discuss is Bluetooth never showed in the device manager. So let's discuss the problem number 1, Bluetooth icon not showing in taskbar. So if you go to the taskbar and click on this arrow icon, you will see that the Bluetooth icon is not showing here. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is just click on the start button, go to the search bar and type device manager. Now just click on the search result device manager. Now under Bluetooth radios, just click on this generic Bluetooth adapter. The name may be different in your system, like it may be Realtek Bluetooth adapter or Intel Bluetooth adapter. So just click on the driver. After this, just right click over it and just click on this enable option. So this will enable your Bluetooth. So you can see that the Bluetooth is showing in the taskbar. And now you can just right click over it and use these options to send or receive the file. If still the Bluetooth icon is not showing in taskbar, then the other method that you can try out is open my computer, go to C drive, go to Windows folder, open this System32 folder, and in this folder System32 just search for FSQUIRT and hit enter. Now just click on this FSQUIRT application and just copy it. After copying it, just paste it on the desktop. Close this window and now you can just double click on this Bluetooth icon and use these options to send or receive the files. So this is how you can fix this Bluetooth icon not showing in taskbar issue. Now let us move to the problem number 2, that is problem in sending or receiving Bluetooth files. So if you go to this Bluetooth, right click over it and click on receive a file option. So if you are facing problem in transferring Bluetooth files and if you are getting errors like this, then in order to fix this issue, what you have to do is just click on the start button, go to the search bar and type services. Now just click on the search result services and just click on this service, Bluetooth support service. Right click over it, click on properties, and now just change the startup type from disabled to automatic. After this, just click on the apply button and click on the start button to start this service. Click on the OK button. Now close this, and now if you try to receive a file, you can see that it is not showing the error now. So this is how you can fix problems related to sending or receiving Bluetooth files. Now let us move to the problem number 3. Let me just open the device manager. Now if you are facing the problem number 3, that is Bluetooth was showing in device manager earlier but not showing now, then what you have to do is you have to watch my another video that I have specially prepared on this topic. You can just go to the video description and just click on the video link to find the solution for this problem. You can also click on the above I button to watch this video. Now let us move to the problem number 4. So if you are facing the problem that the Bluetooth never showed up in the device manager, then the problem is the Bluetooth driver is not installed in your system. So you have to download and install the Bluetooth driver on your system from the internet. I have made a video on this topic also. You can just go to the video description and just click on the video link to watch it. You can also click on the above video to watch it. So for problem number 1 and 2, I have given the solution in this video, and for problem number 3 and 4, you have to watch my other videos and get the solution. And the link for those 2 videos is given in the video description. So this is how you can fix Bluetooth problem in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.